Clean the back of the phone. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding onto the marked sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Peel off the top layer from a corner, keeping the hydrogel on the phone, and remove it gradually, section by section. Push out the bubbles to corners using squeegee. Remove the camera cutout from the sheet, ensuring that all 3 layers are completely detached from the sheet. Partially peel off the bottom layer from the camera cutout. Fold it outward, and carefully align and adhere it to the phone's camera area. Peel off the top layer from a corner, keeping the hydrogel on the phone. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles in the corners. The bubbles, shades, and lines will automatically heal off within 24 hours.